Hello, my follower. Today, I'm in Osaka Prefecture, Osaka City, and Shin Umeda, MOXY, near the Osaka Central Station. This is top stage, 14th floor, and this is my room is 1490. Evacuation route is here. Two bedroom. Bedside. USB. And TV set. Oh, very completely lavatory. Here is no total and Japanese inox and single and only showers. Hi, this is MOXY Shin Umeda. Outside view. Over there, the Symphony Hall. That's very famous also. Oh, just program is over. People get that over there. Hi, this is MOXY Shin Umeda. Hi, goodbye, my follower.